with you.
So glad you came back. I had some apple juice in the refrigerator and I wanted to use it. Now, I also have some chicken wings in the freezer, so I thawed those out. I'm going to use those too. So today, I'm going to be making a apple juice marinated chicken wings, okay? I'm going to do them two ways. I'm going to smoke it for one set, and the second set, I'm going to grill it, right? But the grilled ones, I'm going to add a apple juice glaze, right? It has a bourbon in it. And if you're watching this video, the recipe for that glaze is going to be coming up next, right? That'll be my next video, okay? Hope you enjoy it. Get a load of this. Hopefully I don't spill it. Look at that. Look at the thumbnail, okay? I'm going to try some right now. I'm going to try the grilled one. You know, I love wings. Let me try it out. Crispy. Sweet. The bourbon gives it that certain, I don't know what, but just that certain zing, that flavor, right? Once you cook the alcohol out of it, when you're doing the video, please do, when you do the recipe, cook the alcohol out of it, just like I did, okay? Because this is delicious. Crispy skin. Try this out. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. What we have here, 1/2 a cup of oil. I'm using canola oil. 1/2 cup of soy sauce. 1/3 of a cup, right here, 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. About 5.5 to 6 cloves of minced garlic. And here we have 1/2 a cup of brown sugar. Here I have 2 cups of apple juice. And then here, of course, I have just over 3.5 pounds of chicken wings. Okay, let's get this mixed up so we can get this marinated. So the first thing we're going to do, add our lemon juice. All right, get that in there. Our soy sauce. That guy in there. Our garlic. Our brown sugar. Get in there. Now let's mix this up to start melting the brown sugar. And the bits of garlic is going to help beat the brown sugar up to help it, dissolve. Okay, now let's add our apple juice. Wonderful. Get this nicely mixed up. Now let's add our canola oil. Here we go. And we mix. Now we're going to add this to our chicken. Pour it right in. There we go. Let the air out. Give it a good mix. Good mix. Now to the next step. So now this is going in the refrigerator. Now you only need about maybe an hour, 2 hours. I'm going to be marinating this overnight. I wouldn't recommend you do it for more than 24 hours because of the acidity that's in here. But anywhere 1-2 hours, you know, to overnight, you'll be fine, right? 12 hours is a good mark. But what you're going to do is, well, because of how much chicken I have here, see how much space I got left in the bag? Every hour and a half or so, I'm going to mix it up again, move chicken around so they all can get the marinade evenly. So I'm going to put this in the fridge. It's been roughly 12 hours, you know, maybe 13 hours. Okay, the smoker's starting to warm up. I'm going to be using some royal oak, lump charcoal, okay? And for this particular smoke, I'm going to be using applewood, right? Some applewood chunks, okay? So what I've done, I'm going to show you in a minute. I've just taken half of the chicken out, the whole chicken wing. So I got about 5 of them. I'm going to smoke those, okay? And then the other 6, I'm going to grill. But before I put them on the smoker, I need to give them a little bit more season. I didn't add pepper. If you wanted to, you could have added crushed red pepper flake, but I'm going to add some white pepper. The reason why I'm adding white pepper is because white pepper is actually a little bit hotter than black pepper, but it's not anywhere near as hot as crushed red pepper flake, okay? And I do, after all, want Mama Shaw to taste it. So let's get this seasoned up. So as you can see, they got a nice little color to them because of the soy sauce. So I'll put a little white pepper on here. Right on this side, a little bit. Okay, turn it over. Got to get the undercarriage, or in this case, the other side. Right. Now these are going to sit and get happy until the smoker's ready, which should be probably in about 15 minutes, maybe 20. But you want them to get closer to room temperature. You don't want to put cold meat on your grill, okay? So once this gets up to temperature and the smoker's ready, we're going to put them on the smoker. Let's put these on. Because I know my smoker, put these right here. And I'm keeping them on the rack, right? So I can turn them easily. In about an hour, we're going to turn them on. Now, I know it's kind of windy out there, so in case you didn't hear it, when I put the chicken in the smoker, I left it on the cooling rack, okay? Because that's going to make it easier for me to move around, because in about an hour, I'm going to be turning it around, okay? I know how my smoker is. Every smoker is different. You know, you have some hot spots. Now, I have not installed temperature plates, right? Haven't did any custom temperature plates, so I know where my hot spots are. So that's why I placed them where I placed them. Okay, and then what's going to happen? Hour, we're going to turn around, do it for another hour. Then we're going to check the temp on them. They're probably done by then, but we'll see. Okay, let's get back to it. Here are the smoked product. This is a smoked apple juice marinated chicken, okay? Now, it's time to work on the grilled version. And we're gonna set this to the side. And these wings are gonna be grilling. You know, look, I counted like 3 times. There's 11 of them. I don't know where this extra one came from, but if it's like a magical unicorn, hey, y'all watch out for me, because there was not 12 wings in that pack. It was an odd number of wings. It looked funny. It was an odd number. There were not 12 in here. But anyway, we're going to grill these. And while the grill is warming up, we're going to work on the sauce. So I have the wings here. They've been marinating overnight. I'm going to add black pepper to these, right? Because I'm going to be grilling these. There's a light dusting of black pepper just on the skin side of the wings. That's all we want. Okay? And these are going to sit and get room temperature while I get the grill up to par. The grill is ready. It's nice and hot. I've added some more canola oil to the skin side here because we're going to be putting it on there. And since it's so hot, you don't want to walk away from it, okay? So we're going to let it grill for probably about 4 or 5 minutes, and then we're going to move it to indirect heat for the remainder. All right? So we're going to put these skin side down on the hot side. About 4 or 5 minutes. Let's get some grill marks. Yeah. Direct heat right now. So we're just trying to get some color to it. Turn them over. You know what? Let's put this on indirect. Yep. Give this about 15 minutes and we'll turn it. Let's grease these boys down. And they're more than ready for the glaze. Give these about 5 minutes and we'll turn them over. And glaze that side for 5 minutes, then we're done. Now let's take these guys off here. They're ready. The grilled ones. And the smoked guys. These guys off here. Oh, here we go. Get back in here. Back inside. There we go. So here on the left, we have our smoked product. And here on the right, we have our grilled product. Let's plate up and see what we're working with. Put this together. Just get some smoked ones here. Couple smoke, 3 smoked guys here. Okay, let's get some grilled ones. Like the grilled ones. Nice, hot. Okay, there we go. So here's what we have, right? Again, on the left side, we have our smoked product, right? Our apple juice marinated chicken wings. They've been smoked. On our right side, again, apple juice marinated chicken wings, but these have been grilled and they have a glaze on them, an apple juice glaze. These are delicious. Hey, try this recipe out. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. You know, click that bell, right? Join the peanut gallery. And if you can, by all means, please share us out. You know, we're trying to grow. Help us out if you can. That being said, before I forget, hey, hit me up on Instagram so you can see what I got coming up next. Right? Shrashira, I'm out because I'm getting ready to eat.